Hello everyone. So right now I am with Dr. Pradeep Kumar,
Yeah.
who is Associate Professor in School of Mechanical and Materials, IIT Mandi. So sir, most welcome on our Your Education's platform.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so sir, I have discussed earlier also with you, and I found very exciting research areas in which you are working. So we will talk about all these things. But in starting, you please tell us about your journey.
Okay, I will start my journey from PhD onwards. I completed my PhD from IIT Kanpur in year 2009, and before joining here, I worked with the NSys Fluid Private Limited in Pune office, and I have a industrial experience more than 6.5 years. Okay, in the development of the softwares. Okay,
Okay.
my PhD topic was. Interaction of a fluid flow with radiation, and I looked at the radiation effect on the fluid flow. Basically, in any scenario of heat transfer, you have all modes of heat transfer if medium is a fluid. Okay, so generally we consider conduction and convection, but we don't consider the radiation. But I have also included the feature of radiation in my PhD thesis and look at the effect. We have during my PhD, I got very good results, and that motivated me to continue in the field of radiation in interaction with the fluid flow. Okay, and I went to NSys Fluent to understand more about this feature, and when I came here, I came with the vision to further development of this area of the thermal radiation, which is I believe is very niche area and very few people across the world, not only in India, across the world is working. If I count, it is hardly two, three, four groups in the whole world is working. And in terms of if you look at this, IT Mandi has a very unique thing, the area here where students can come and work in the thermal radiation field, and it has application basically from the defense to atmospheric.
Okay.
Okay, whole climate. If you understand whole climate is governed by, I understand as I understand is three phenomena: fluid flow, heat transfer, and radiation. Okay, if you understand, then you understand climate, then you understand basically where heat transfer is happening. Then basically you provide the a best solution. Okay, and and as I told you that I work with the Ansys Fluent, that is software simulation software company, not a general software company. That they are developing the software based on physics, and now this software becomes so powerful. Topmost universities are using their software to do the research, but our purpose is not to use the softwares but to develop it, and we are using the open source platform to develop it, and we are looking to make it open access to everyone, where everyone can use it and see their solution of their problems.
ओके सो अभी कितने किस लेवल पे ये पहुंच चुका है ओपन सोर्स डेवलपमेंट जो आपने बोला है
Okay, there is a big open source software that is OpenFOAM. Okay, and it has fluid flow and other modes of heat transfer features already available. Fluid flow and features are already available. Radiation, since I told you, there are very few groups work all over the world. So this feature is very niche area, and since my joining IT Mandi, I have been working this area only, and we are demonstrated proof of concept of some very exciting problem. Okay, one problem is that everyone have may have seen the lifting of rocket. Okay, either physically I would say that is very rare, but may have seen it on the TV and picture something. Okay,
Yes.
you may see that a lot of plume is coming out. Okay, and this plume is at very high temperature and pressure. Okay, and they are heating the rocket base plate. Okay, and whatever the heating is happening, it is due to radiation, because it is upstream of the flow. And whatever source is basically your plume. So you need to find what is the strength of source and how much heating is happening to rocket base plate. So we have already demonstrated this problem as a proof of concept, and we are putting effort to make it big scale. And even ISRO wants this kind of the solution of this kind of a problem. Okay, and we are in touch with that, and we are developing all the features. Once we develop, we'll provide a solution to ISRO. Even I have one project from DRDO. Okay, there they want effect of radiation in combustion problem. Okay,
Okay.
so in and out, I would say a proof of concept is available. You have to make at the industrial scale. Small scale is available. You have make it as an industrial scale. So we are directly working with the. I'm only would I say that we are in touch with the industry. Only thing is that we need persons come work and make it full scale.
So, sir, you told that you are working with DRDO and ISRO. So, if some private company, private organization, or startup, they also want to take your guidance or your technical support. So, in what areas you can do this?
Okay, I would say I am not specific working on the applications. I'm working on the basic fundamental thing. Okay. Oh, whatever industry has a problem with fluid flow heat transfer, okay, they can approach us. Okay, and I would not provide a problem in terms of some product. Product means a a hardware product I'm talking about. I will can provide the product as software kind of products. Even some results, some analysis result, I can tell that this is a problem. You can go and correct at your place. That kind of solution I can provide.
Okay.
So the software is too general. We can basically we can produce even leave the radiation, but fluid flow heat transfer problem is basically very well developed. So we can provide the problem. But if radiation again, basically if you see radiation is also a problem, a factor in their problem, then they have to wait some time once our feature is developed.
So, sir, some students are there which are who are seeking their interest in mechanical engineering. So, is this area that they can grab opportunity for future? Like,
Okay. If you are looking mechanical, the first thing come in your mind that we are working with hardware, machines, and something. Okay, this is not correct. This is a very conventional way of thinking. Okay, now new age is coming where you need to provide a solution of the mechanical problem in terms of softwares or something. So mechanical engineering students should also develop the skill of software technologies. Okay, for that we are starting a computational mechanics program at IIT Mandi this year, and the purpose of this computational mechanics is to develop a software technology skill in the non-CS students. Okay, core courses are the software technologies, and electives are basically mechanics courses.
okay.
So this is very unique program, and whole purpose of this program to develop a general purpose simulator for India. Even India has a problem that we don't have a simulator, and this is very much required. Okay, if you are doing any cutting edge technology or something confidential technology, you cannot rely on the package software. And whole package, all package software, at least physics based, is basically from the foreign countries.
Sir, is there any other area related to this कि स्टूडेंट हार्डवेयर एज यू सेड दैट उस तरफ अप्रोच ना करके बिकॉज दैट कन्वेंशनल अप्रोच हो गई है मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स वहीं जा रहे हैं तो इससे रिलेटेड कुछ सिमिलर कुछ चीज़ें हो एरियाज हो कि हाँ इसके साथ साथ आप यहाँ पर भी जा सकते हैं आज के टाइम को देखते हुए कि ये चीज़ें ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है या रिवोल्यूशन ला सकती है एक इंडिया के अंदर
Okay, I would say that hardware. Okay, one thing is hardware. Hardware is very costly. Okay, and as I see mechanical is there since the evolution of the human being. Okay, and look at industry process; they are basically saturated. and they are making business out of that. If you're going to provide the solution in terms of hardware, they're not going to change your process for you. Okay, you have to basically demonstrate your idea in terms of the business opportunity. Okay, what is the best way to demonstrate that idea is to softwares. That is very easy and cost effective. Okay, and every now our whole industry is first relying on the results from the softwares. Although this is they don't rely totally, but for purpose of initial thinking to basically whatever idea to demonstrate their ideas, you need a result, initial result, and tell that this is a business effective. Then only it will be acceptable.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and I have examples. Okay, I have been working here 7 and 8 years here, and some students have gone. Okay, and they are doing very well. Even Pentair, I would take an example of Pentair. This is a recent example. Students have students are really bright, and he worked in the radiation and. He worked in radiation and demonstrated something. Then Pentair find it very good, and Pentair is a company basically which provide the water solution of the water, okay, and big pump and all those things. And he is performing well. Even my PhD students have also gone to IFB. IFB totally hardware thing kind of thing, but doing the software thing, they have developed the skill set or mental ability to apply their ideas to anywhere and demonstrate it, and they are doing good.
ओके, ग्रेट सर। एंड ऑल्सो वन मोर क्वेश्चन सर कि अ, जैसे अभी बात करते हैं कि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आप एमटेक वो आईआईटी मंडी से करना चाहते हैं, सो कौन से क्वालिटी पैरामीटर्स है जो आपको स्टूडेंट्स में देखना चाहेंगे कि ये वो आप हमारे पास आ रहे हैं या हम उनको यहाँ पे रिसर्च के लिए एडमिशन करवाएंगे, तो कौन कौन से आप वो देखते हैं बच्चों के अंदर जिससे कि वो तैयारी भी कर सके उस से रिलेटेड?
Uh, I would. This is a very tricky question. Okay, I would not say they develop character rather than develop the subject knowledge. Okay, I want to see they should have a fire and able to take challenge. Okay, if these two qualities you find in students, doesn't matter in which field he is coming, I'm okay with that. Okay, and I'm working in such a niche area. I don't think that whatever theory are using or developing is available in anywhere, and they are coming with that exposure of that. But while selecting PhD, I would say, or MS. M.tech is directly CoAP. Okay, so we don't have a control on there. So if I see the ability in character, in not ability, basically it is character, fire and ability to take challenge, and never bow down approach.
Yeah, मतलब who is ready for taking new challenges?
Yes,
Yeah,
and fire should be there. Learning,
fire,
fire for learning,
fire for
for
learning.
learning. That should be available. Then I'm very much happy to take whatever field is coming. It doesn't matter to me.
Great, sir.
Okay, sir. So you talked about this computational mechanics.
Yeah.
So please highlight some important thing about this computational mechanics.
Okay. Yes, as I told you, coming age is to first demonstrate thing. Okay, and it's also good. Okay, that you should demonstrate your ideas so that not just talk, but on something pen and paper. And pen and paper now in our the pen and paper is basically becomes a software. Okay, so when it comes to computer, okay, everyone think it is computer science a student may be doing. Okay, but this is not true. Computer thing is such that everyone need it. Even I'm needing it, you needing it, everyone needing it. Okay, but the purpose of use are different. Okay, so even mechanical engineering as science, and this is I would say that is a facilitator for science and general people as well. Okay, so it should be facilitator for science and engineering as well. Okay, computational mechanics, you are coming with theory, reading theory, understanding it, writing the exams, getting the grade, and getting the degree. But using those theory, if you build able to software, then you can basically apply any problem having a multi-scale and multi-physics. Okay, then you demonstrate overall effect. Okay, so for that you need to write the code. Okay, because theories tells you a lot of equations, but how do you use the all the equation in totality? You can only do through softwares. So our students should also have little bit software technology skills. Okay, while it becomes so big, code becomes too much big, so they need to also manage the code. Okay, so computational mechanics we have developed in this vision only, that non-CS students would able to write code, not only code for the academic purpose, for the industry purpose. Okay, industry purpose is big scale and multi-physics problem, and then theory classes is there. So basically, it has a core courses mostly from the software technologies. We are basically one course. We are giving one course on the C++, one course on industrial software design, and one course on computer science practicum on the software technology side. I believe by doing these courses, they will good, and any hardware or software companies would come and recruit.
Yes, definitely. So this is one important point. Sir told us that there is m.tech research program started recently in IIT Mandi in computational mechanics. So requirement is that non-CSE students like mechanical or metallurgical or
Mechanical, civil. Okay, we are even we have opened this program for CS students, because
okay.
we also need a CS student, whatever software writing, whether it is efficiently writing or not. There. Okay, so this program is open for mechanical, civil, not electrical, chemical, aerospace, even computer science.
So all these branch students can apply in this computational mechanics, and provided that you have much interest in taking challenges and doing good efforts. Okay, then definitely you can, after completing your this research project or this course, definitely you will get placements in good companies in software, in AI or related fields.
Not only softwares, but you also get in core. Okay, because now core companies also need results, quick results. Basically, software is providing quick results,
Yes.
so that they can make a business strategy. Okay, so by doing this one, I believe that they develop mental ability, and using those skills, they can take any challenge. Even I have examples where students have worked totally on the computational side, but they are doing good in hardware core companies. It is
Yes.
not only and core company need it. Okay, though to increase their business. Uh, Business to increase their business, they need um quick results basically.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So it was very nice conversation with you,
Thanks, and
and
same here.
much important information we got. Too much.
Thank you.
Thank you for this meeting.
Thank you.